Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invite friends to your groups on Battle.net. So all you have to do, guys, is really go ahead and click on chat and groups at the bottom right, and from here you will be able to find those groups that you have created. If you have not yet created a group, simply click the plus and towards the right hand side of the word groups, and you can enter the group name and details if you want, description, and create the groups. Right now, once you have created the group, you will see that you can invite your friends there. So you will look towards a section here where you have your group details, and here it says invite some friends. Right, just simple click on that, and you can enter those friends email address, or you can invite them by adding their battle tag. All you have to do is just simple enter that, and you can send invites. Right, so other than that, you can just simply click on the link section and you can invite them by a link. Just simply copy the link. You'll be able to send those links to them so that they can join the group. Keep in mind that the link lasts for up to 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it will be expired, right? And it can use for a maximum of 50 users there, right? You can also expand the link options here where you can even extend the link for more than just a day. So you can put it up to never, you can put it up to 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. It's really up to you. And you can also change the amount of uses that it can be. So you can put it for unlimited if you so desire, or you can put it to 100 uses if that's what you want. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.